Welcome back to Spy Garage.
Beyond the traditional limits of hypercar performance and opulent mobile dwelling, the speculative appearance of a new Bugatti 2026, the ultimate French supercar home that dares to challenge Ferrari and Lambo, sparks an intriguing conversation. Although Bugatti is unquestionably associated with unmatched speed, fine craftsmanship, and extremely high price points in the automotive industry, the idea of bringing this lineage to a supercar home adds a whole new level of boldness and creativity. The outside of this hypothetical 2026 Bugatti vehicle would surely be a masterwork of aerodynamic sculpture and visual drama if such a notion came to pass. It would probably have a recognizable horseshoe grille, flowing lines that suggest tremendous power, and maybe even active aerodynamic features that adjust to driving circumstances, all of which are reminiscent of the Marquis's legendary Veyron and Chiron lineages. Exotic lightweight materials like carbon fiber would be widely used, both for performance and to demonstrate engineering prowess. The idea of a supercar home entails integrating living areas without sacrificing the distinctive Bugatti style, which is a difficult task that would require innovative design solutions to preserve its aggressive yet sophisticated posture. The ultimate luxury would really show out in the inside, the home element. This area would go well beyond the usual limitations of a luxury RV and represent an unmatched exercise in custom luxury. Imagine the finest quality handcrafted materials, such as polished aluminum, exotic wood veneers, carbon fiber weaves, and possibly Poltrona Frau leather, all carefully coordinated. The design would have to demonstrate both extravagant comfort and efficient use of space, possibly including a small but fully functional gourmet kitchen, a luxuriously furnished sleeping area, and a cutting-edge entertainment and networking suite. The Bugatti symbol would be emblazoned on each custom-made fixture and fitting, demonstrating an unwavering commitment to detail. The living experience would be further improved by the incorporation of sophisticated human-machine interfaces, possibly even making use of augmented reality or holographic displays. Despite living in a supercar home, Bugatti would nonetheless prioritize performance. The powertrain would be enormous, but it would not be built for track records in the traditional sense. A highly tuned W16 engine or even a potent hybrid system that can effortlessly accelerate and cruise at high speeds with exceptional poise is the subject of speculation. With adaptable suspension systems, the chassis would be designed to deliver a ride quality that is unmatched in any other motorhome, ranging from a snappy, hard configuration for aggressive driving to a soft, plush ride for long-distance cruising. Because of the superior steering and chassis technologies, it would be very agile despite its expected enormous size. The market for such a product would be extremely tiny, serving a select group of people for whom traditional luxury is insufficient. This Bugatti supercar home would be more than just a car. It would be a statement, a moving work of art that subverts the idea of what constitutes a premium car. Its presence would surely have the audacity to defy the standards Ferrari and Lamborghini have set in the field of automotive ambition, proving Bugatti's unwavering dedication to pushing limits not only in speed but also in the bold combination of peak performance and luxurious living.